Hello everyone. We all know that while working with project, we will create n number of layers. In today's video, we are going to learn how to filter those layers according to their properties. Let's get started. If you are willing to learn this futuristic effect, I have done the tutorial on this. You can click here to watch the tutorial. Also, I have given the link in the description. You can check it out. Alright, let's get into today's tutorial. Go to layers. If it is not enabled, go to Windows and enable the layers panel, or you can hit F7. By default it will be enabled. If not, you can do this. Okay, for better view I will drag it to center. Also, I enable this layer just for clear view. In the layers panel, in the top we have a filter bar. There we can select and filter the layers. If it is not enabled, just tap here to enable these options. In this drop down menu, we have many filters. Let's see the default ones. By enabling this first filter, this is for pixel layer filter, is nothing but rasterized layers. By tapping here, the rasterized layers will be filtered out. You can see here. The next filter is for filtering adjustments layers. If you have applied any adjustments layers, it will be filtered out. You can see here. And next one, the icon itself explaining this is for text layers. By enabling this, the text layers will be filtered out. And next one is for filtering shape layers. If you have used any shape layers, it will be filtered out. And then next one is for smart objects. The smart object will be filtered out by enabling that one. Now we will move to drop down menu. In the first one we have a name filter. Just by typing your layer name, it will be filtered out. You can directly select it. And the next one is effect filter. Effect filter is nothing but bevel and emboss, inner shadow, outer glow, like that. If you have used any effects from this drop down menu, you can directly select it and filter it out. And the next one is, you may wonder, you can even filter the layers by its blending modes. If you used any blending modes to a particular layer, it will be filtered out. You have to select the blending mode which you have used in the drop down menu, it will be filtered. For example, I am selecting the screen mode. You can see here I have used a screen mode for this layer, it is filtered. Cool, right? And the next one is attribute. Here we can filter the visible layers, locked layers, empty layers, like that. For example, here I am choosing the locked one. You can see here the locked layer is filtered out. And also we have an option to filter the empty layers. I think it is quite useful. By selecting this, we can filter the empty layers. While working with project, we will create n number of layers. In between that, we create empty layers. It may increase the file size. Just by filtering like this, we can delete those layers and we can reduce the file size. Okay, let's move to the next filter. The next one is color filter. Sometimes for our reference, we give some colors to some group of layers. We can even filter by those colors by choosing this drop down menu which color you have given. And the next one is smart object filter. This is not a usual smart object which we create in the layers panel. This is the one which we import from the outside source like Illustrator. If you want to know how to import the Illustrator file to Photoshop, I have done the tutorial for that one. By clicking here, you can watch it out. Also, I have given the link in the description. You can just check it out. And the next one is select filter. By selecting this, you can select the layers which you have selected in the layers panel. Don't get confused. Here you can see that the layer which I have selected in the layers panel is filtered here. And the next one is artboard filter. By selecting this, the artboard will be filtered out. That's it guys. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, let me know in comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.